Jeff from Two Hacks Garage. Well, the time has come to put the 521 cubic inch big block Ford and the 1968 Ford Thunderbird. I do have a brand new transmission here. It's a TCI Super Street Fighter. It's a combination that I got from Jegs. Came with a converter, which is 3,500 to 38 stall speed. All really good internals. Rob Z from Jegs, he hooked me up on getting this in a timely manner, so shout out to him. So yeah, so the first step we're going to do is we're going to get this 521 cubic inch big block and the 1968 Thunderbird, and then we're going to mate the transmission to it. After consulting with the surgeon, Dr. Micah Schultz, that seems like a much better idea to go about it that way. But to just kind of give you a heads up, before we actually get this in here, we got to get it off this stand. We got to get the headers off. Got to take the flex plate off because I've got 3 different motor plates back here. Put that back on, tighten that back up, and go from there. So with that, I tell you what, we're going to go ahead and get started. So we'll see you shortly. See ya. Well, we got the 521 cubic inch big block in the Thunderbird. It was a little bit of a chore. What you were seeing us fighting was the fact that this is a big freaking engine. But really what it was this side engine mount. Like if you guys saw in other videos, I was struggling finding the correct engine mount. I found one that worked. However, the tab on there was way too big. Made the hole bigger. It still wasn't lining up. It was wanting to go down further. So we just modified it, got it in there, got everything shoehorned in. The oil pan is that Canton Racing. It's really, 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 really close to hitting. But this motor is going to tilt up a little bit. The next video we're going to make, obviously, is putting in a transmission. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think?
Yeah, definitely went better than I thought it was going to.
It is. This motor, by the way, is built for gas mileage. It's probably going to get roughly 6 or 7. So that's up to this current administration standards. So I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, it's definitely a big engine and a decently big car. A lot of work to really put it in there. Still have a lot of room. Those headers are going to be really tight in there. Just by looking at it, we're going to have to go from underneath on that. But yeah, so I'll show you a couple close-ups of what we got going on here. So this is how this big engine monstrosity sits up in here. As you can see, it's huge. Oh, yeah, I got the new badges that I made put on there and replace the old crusty broken up ones. We'll just do a little bit of a walk around. It's definitely quite large. And as you can see, you know, it's going to be tight with those headers. The headers are made by Stan Johnson at Ford Power Applications. It's supposed to fit this car, so we're going to find out. Got some tight room in here. We'll have to do some modifications on that. But yeah, guys, so that is the 521 cubic inch big block Ford and the 68 Thunderbird. Let's see what it looks like sitting in the car. Well, look at that. There is the driver's view. Nice and large. Yep. I'd say she's ready to rock and roll, guys. See you in a few.